So let's start by running the code. So first I'll input all the information needed to connect to the database. So now let's press key number 3. So as you can see, we have a menu. So in the menu, you can create a department, delete a department, list all the departments, and select a department from the list. So first, we are going to create a department. So let's press key number 1. So first, we have to give a name to the department. Let's say computer science. Then for the abbreviation CECS. Then for a tree name, let's put this one. For the building, we are going to say that the computer science department is located in the computer building. And for the department office, let's say 323. And for the department description, we are going to put computer science subjects. Okay. So now the department is created. So
now we're gonna press the third key in order to list all the departments we have so far. So as we can see, we have like the department that we have just created when we press the third key.
Okay, so now let's create another department to see if all the constraints were met. So I'll put, for instance, electrical engineering as the primary key. Then let's try to put CECS to see what happens. So if I put CECS, you'll see that there's a message. This department, a department with that abbreviation already exists. Try again. So if I try again with CECS, it won't work, as you can see. So let's put EE for this one. Now let's try for the chair name too. You'll see that if I put the same chair name as the computer science department, I'll have an error and I'll have to try again. So let's put, for instance, this name for the electrical engineering department. Then for the building, if I put, for instance, again, computer building and the room 323, same here, I will get an error and I'll have to try again. So let's put now a good one, electrical building and room 474, for instance. And for sake of simplicity, I'll just put test one on this one. I'll just put test one on this one. Okay, so I think I'll just create a third one to try. The department name would be theater. The abbreviation TEA. The chair name, let's say this one. The department building, the theater one. The department office, let's say 123. And department description, again, I'll just put test 2. Alright, so now we can...
Now if we press the fourth key, we should be able to select a department from the list. So now, as you can see, we have like the 3 departments that have been just created, the CSS, the EE, and the TEA. And if we select like the third one, the TEA, we have now selected it and it's displayed on the screen.
Now let's just check if we have all 3 departments with us. So as you can see, all 3 departments are displayed here. So now I'm going to delete one department. So let's go. Let's press key number 2 to delete one. And as you can see, I have the option to delete the department with the abbreviation, the chair name, the building and office, and the description. So basically we have like all the constraints. So let's try to delete one with the abbreviation one. Okay, so now I have to enter the department abbreviation. So I'm going to delete the theater department. So to do so, I have to input the abbreviation, which is TEA. As you can see, it was deleted. So let's check if it was correctly deleted. So I press key number 3 to list all departments. And as you can see, I only have like 2 departments left. So now I'll just delete one last department and create another one, just to show that we were able to implement also the fact that we could delete the department but with another constraint. So let's press key number 2, and then I have like again to select the constraint. So let's try with the description one. So remember that the description of electrical engineering was test 1. It's written above. So let's press key number 4 and let's input test 1. And as you can see, it was deleted. So let's just check now with the key number 3. Sorry. So as you can see, I only have like only one department left, the computer science one. So now to finish with PyCharm, I'll just create a last department and then I'll switch to the data grid to show you that we were able to implement all the departments in the database. So let's create a last one. Department name, I will say kinesiology, for instance. And for the department abbreviation, it's kin. Department chair name, let's say, let's put this one. Department building, we'll put like the sport building. And for the department office, let's say 276. And department description, again, for the sake of simplicity, I'll just put test. Let's say test 56, for instance. All right. So now we'll just check that all departments are here by pressing the key number 3. And as you can see, I'll have both departments. So now I'll just exit the PyCharm and I'll show you that it works on DataGrid. Okay.
So now we can switch on data grid to in order to see if we got every like departments in the database. So now that we have refreshed the data grid, we can see that we got like the 2 departments that we just created, the CSCS one and the kinesiologist one.
Right, thank you.